Yeah, I live abroad, and when you live abroad, you want to try and invest back at home. And the challenge most people that live abroad have is to trust anybody or put their money where they know it's going to be safe. That's a challenge that most people are experiencing right now. But for 𝗧𝗶o, they have kept their word. So I feel very comfortable being abroad, sending money to put in a unit. I know at the end of the day, I'm not being conned. There's delivery, because I've worked with them for a long time. So I know they deliver. So I'm not worried. I would encourage anybody who wants to invest and you're sitting with some money, because the projects are normally like you just pay bit by bit. And the people who want to join right now, things are easy. You guys are coming in when 𝗧𝗏 has become very easy to invest in. As guys used to cough 20%. Right now, there's no deposit. You just start with a prorated amount. So if it's 50,000, it's 50,000 throughout for the 2 years. It's become quite easy. But for us guys, we have come a long journey. So if you want to invest, you better jump in. It's very easy right now. For me, it's growth, age, goals. So it's a lot that has come with wanting to invest with 𝗧𝗏. It's just something I had desired to go into real estate, but I was wondering, where do I start? And 𝗧𝗏 provided that platform, because everybody has a reason why they want to invest in a certain way. Of course, there will be people who challenge you, all this, but you know, it's up to you to decide where you want to move, and 𝗧𝗏 provided that opportunity for me.